Hi everyone, this is Felisa. Welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to glamorize this simple floral arrangement. The floral arrangement actually came from Burlington, and I have it here. Here's the one here that I haven't glammed up, and it was $6.99 from Burlington. I thought it was cute, and I just knew I was gonna add some extra items to it for it to fit more so my style. And I'm going to show you what I did to create this particular floral arrangement. Then I have another one that I'm going to show you as well, and then just show you something else. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my floral arrangement. I need to cut this off. I'll cut it off, but not right now. I don't have any scissors. So basically I have this his and her rhinestone craft wire that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. I picked it up maybe earlier part of this year from the his and her section. Every now and then they have the his and her section for items for 50% off, which is the perfect time for you to drop in and pick up you some glam items. So I just take my craft wire. It's really easy to work with, and I've used it with a couple of other DIYs that I did. As you guys know, I'm not a DIYer, so whatever I do is going to be really, really simple. So basically what I'm going to do, I always say I'm not a DIYer. I find like the easiest elementary things to do. So I'm just gonna take this, and I don't want to waste any of my wrap. So I'm just gonna take it and go around here once, but I'm gonna turn this around so you can see what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna take this, go around once, and I'm just gonna wrap this. It's easy to work with. All you need to do is just wrap it, like twist. See, I'm just taking the edge, just twisting it, right? So that's twisted. And then I'm going to take this and I'm just going to take this to make my second row, turn it around, and I'm just going to wrap it around that one. That way I'm not wasting my you need to wrap it twice, because otherwise it's going to come loose like it just did for me. And then I'm just going to go back around here, the last one, and I'm going to wrap that around there twice, and then I'm just going to cut. Then I'm going to cut it. So I have that cut. So this is so easy. I love elementary DIYs. You don't even have to think to create these. You guys will never guess what these are. These are stirs. I got these from Z Gallery. I got them on clearance. I got like a couple of packs of them about a couple of years ago. And I don't use these, so I'm going to put them to use for the Christmas holidays. And so what I'm going to do is, it's foam in here. So basically, all I'm going to do is find a spot to where I have that one and just stick it in here. It's foam, so it's not going to hurt anything. So yeah, so that one's already in there. And it's already looking cute. I don't want it too far in there, so I'm going to bring it out just a tad bit more. And I only want 4 in there because, and I'm just going to put another one over here on this side. And it just sticks right in there, very easy. And then I'm going to put another one over on this side. I'm going to put it like right there. So when I walk by on this side, I can see it in the middle. And then I'm just going to stick one right smacking in the middle, right here. Get it in there. Yeah, it's going. Just stick it in there. So yeah, it's in there. So voila. So you have two beautiful, affordable arrangements using the stirrers that I had around my home, the wire bling wrap, and the floral arrangements from Burlington for $6.99. Now, if you're interested in these books, I'll leave the link below to the books, as well as a coupon. You can get 10% off. I'll leave the code to that as well. Very super cute books. Now, let me tell you about these books. I already talked to you about them before. Now, they're just decorative books. So this is not like, I'm not sure where she purchased the books from, but she just put book covers and designs on them. And they're like designer books or whatever. But anyway, this is not about books, right? So I want to just show you how you can get your if you go by your local Burlington and find these flowers, they're really cute, really fun. Like, I can use it as bookends right now. Let me move this out the way. And the candle holders actually came from Bath and Body Works, you guys. And let me tell you about these candle holders. I've been having them for about a year. And a lot of people ask about these. Last year, they were 39 bucks a piece. This year, they're 49 bucks a piece. But Bath and Body Works have coupons. But I tell you, they're plastic. But I don't care because I love these. They look expensive, but once you pick them up, you notice that they're plastic. So here they are, styled. That's really pretty. I'm loving that. Okay, loves, I picked up this beautiful piece from Home Goods. I saw this last year and I didn't get it, and I wish that I had, but when I saw it this year, I'm like, I gotta get this. So here I am. Every time I turn that camera on, that train comes. So excuse the train if you hear it. So this can be used, you can put candles in there, you can put rocks in there. You can't put water because they come out like this. There's no bottom. So you can't put water, but you can get some of these size vases from Dollar Tree if you want to put water, and you can use candles in them or whatever. But you can take this out and make your own little vase, you know, put some flowers or whatever down there if you like. But I'm going to use the actual jars that it came with, and I'm going to put floral picks in mine. So let me just show you how you can use this with your floral picks. Okay, loves, so I shown you these in my last Christmas haul. So these came from Hobby Lobby. I love these. I still need to get by there and pick up me some more if they have some. But I'm just going to go ahead and place these in my arrangement. Well, not arrangement. In my vase, which is what I'm using it for, a vase. Okay, so that's really, really pretty. Uh-oh, somebody's flying by. So now I have these beautiful flowers here. These came from Hobby Lobby. Love these. I like the fact that they're red and they have the ice in there. They're so cute. I love them, love them, love them. Now, red is my favorite color, and I've just recently started using red for the holidays. Last year, I used red in my master bedroom. So these are from Hobby Lobby. They're regular $9.99, but they had them 40% off. And if I can get some more of these, I'm going to go by and pick me some more. And so I already know that I need to bend these. I never cut my arrangements. And I can just drop that in there like that. That is so pretty. And it's so unique. That's why I like getting little flowers. I have so many flowers. And so I'm going to do the same for this one. If I can take the tag off. There we go. Just insert it in here. And I'm on my entryway right now. I'm at my entryway. So this is a pretty entryway greeter area. And I do have something else to show you, so don't click off the video yet. Don't click off the video. Now let me tell y'all, so before I forget, the books that I showed y'all earlier, there's going to be a giveaway. Oh, this fell off. Where did it come from? Oh, I'm going to be doing a giveaway on Instagram for those books. It's going to be on Instagram. I know a lot of you guys don't have an Instagram, but if you're not following me on Instagram and you have an Instagram, why don't you go ahead and follow me, so when the giveaway posts, you can have a chance of winning a free set. Oh, it won't be that set. I'm sorry. It'll be another set that she's going to do. So, how cute is that? This is adorable. Okay, and since I have you on the line, I want to go ahead and show you these beautiful cone trees. I don't know if you saw my previous video with the shop with me when I went to this store called Craftex here in Houston. It's a wholesale warehouse. Now, if you buy multiple items, the price is cheap, but when you're a personal shopper, you may pay a little bit more, because I think I may have paid like 49 bucks for this set. But if you think about it, at Home Goods, this one here probably would be like $24. This probably would be like $14, and this probably would be like $9. So it pretty much came out to be a Home Goods price, because at first when I'm like, I'm not paying no $50 for that set, but then I thought about, you know, this probably be like I said, 19 or maybe even 24. This is maybe 15 or 19, and this may be $9.99. This one here, the smaller one, may be $9.99. And with the prices, how high they went up for different things in Home Goods, this may have even been $12.99. But nevertheless, I thought this was so cute because it goes so well with the flowers. The picks that I just did the arrangement with, I just moved that to another area. I have started my Christmas decor, and this is not going to stay here. I don't know where I'm going to put it. Probably over here in this corner on the stand, but it's definitely going to be in this room. So I just went and grabbed them. So, oh, I'm trying not to make you dizzy. So you can see here how these match perfect. These picks came from Hobby Lobby and the trees from Craftex. Sometimes you're lucky where you run up on things that match totally, and sometimes you won't. So I think these were meant to be for me. So anyway, I hope that this video inspires someone on how to create a simple DIY using floral arrangement, and then to use a vase to also make an arrangement or a centerpiece. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.